gonna start up the app real quick. I'm using a mirror program for this. I actually saw some when I was watching one of the videos. I actually saw somebody using this, which I'm actually glad they're using it because this is actually a really good mirroring program for the Android device that we have. Um, so a quick demonstration. I'll start off with two letters. Let's say is. Okay, so it tells me that I added that. It tells me the entries as well as the number of characters. Um, let's go with something 3 and as you can see, continues on. Um, 4 letters. Need. Oops. Need. It continues on with the average. So let's see. Um, the entries. Now I'm just gonna put my name in real quick. There we go. And let's try another. There. Just to make sure the character count does work. So as you can see, there's 5 entries and the character average is 4. I actually do hope that's right. I'm gonna put this down. Now, this was a pretty tough assignment. I've always had trouble with it from the beginning when I started the class before. Um, and as I continued to take it, I was able to continue getting better at it. Um, One of the things that I was really having issues with was getting the characters. Um, I would always try and find something useful or something online that allows me to do it. I even asked the professor; he was able to help me out. In fact, him doing that actually pointed me in the right direction as far as what exactly I was supposed to do, make sure the characters were actually doing the average. Um, so while it was still a little tough for me to figure out, I finally was able to get it to work, which I'm actually really happy about. Um, Another thing that we had to make sure was if we were duplicating something or if there was nothing there, we would have some kind of alert view saying something. So if I put nothing, it will say to add something, or if I put in a duplicate, it'll say that it is already there. So yeah. Um, so I would say the easiest part was actually like setting up the text view and the button and the entries. That was pretty much the easiest part of this assignment. That was actually always to me the easiest part of the assignment. Trying to align it with the list view was a little tough, but eventually I was able to figure out what was going on with that. Um, my real issue with it still is the fact that if I was to select something from the list, it won't update it from the last part. I don't really know how to explain that, but I'll just show you real quick. The first one is right now. So if I was to select is, oh, okay. Um, well, yeah, there you go. As you can see, like if I was to select one of them, it won't really do the right one. So if I was to, let's say area, let's just put in area real quick. And then if I was to select area, area would be selected, but if I was to choose as, it'll just continue to say area. So it's weird. It's been weird like that. I don't know why it does that. Um, so yeah, other than that, the character count was the hardest part, but I was able to figure it out. Um, and as much as I would like to try and figure out what was going on with this, I don't have the time for it. And I want to make sure that I submit this assignment. And like I said, as far as it is right now, this is actually better than the way it was before. So I'm very happy with the results. Hopefully, I'll be able to figure out um, how to fix this going into week 2. Um, and yeah, so I have a better feeling about this month than I did prior months. I hope you guys were able to get through this assignment very well, and you have a good night.